For the first few months it seemed our Joeys had grown every time we looked inside the pouch. Ears formed, hind limbs and tails uncurled and lengthened. But as they got older, the changes were less obvious. However, we were approaching some major milestones in their lives. Milestones more dramatic than the development of whiskers. They were milestones that were going to change our Joeys into kangaroos. On the 20th of June, 166 days after she was born, I opened Sadie's pouch and saw Wattle blinking back at me. She had opened her eyes. I wondered how good her vision was. Did she just recognise light? Or could she really see my face and associate it with the voice that had spoken to her since the day she was born? We would never know. Although Tingle soon grew whiskers too, and had eyelashes, her eyes were still closed. But not for long. Our youngest Joey was playing catch-up, and when she opened her eyes a week younger than Wattle, the gap between them suddenly narrowed. Sadly, we had to work harder to gain her confidence. Katie was not keen to come home and have her dressings changed, which meant we had less contact with her baby. Only time would tell how Tingle was going to react to us. But we did hope she would eventually trust us and allow us to share her life. Now our Joeys were bigger, life inside the pouches was getting cramped. Legs, arms and long tails fought for the limited space. And we are sure it must have felt uncomfortable for Sadie and Katie when the outside of their pouches resembled a Mexican wave.